Hi, this is Paul from Reliable POD, and this is a tutorial on how to create designs for the linen placemats using our templates and Shopify app. First thing you'll need to do is get a copy of the template, and to do that, go across to our website, find the product that you're looking for, scroll down to templates. It'll give you an overview of the size. There's a link there to download the template. There's also a video there for you to follow along on how to create your design. Also, on each product page, we have mock-ups that you can download to put your own images on. And there's a video there showing you how to use mock-up files if you haven't done so. So download the template, open that up in your graphics program. We're using Photoshop, and immediately you'll notice that it gives you a size, which is 3278 by 2419 pixels, and that's at 200 dpi. Please note that this is pixels and not millimeters, and also note that when you're working in the app, if you upload an image, it has to be exactly these dimensions. If you're even 1 pixel out, it won't let you upload it. And we do that because of the way the app works in scaling images across lots of different products, and it has to work to that detail. So once you've done this, if you create yourself a design that fits that size, and I've done one here, image size, and you'll see it's 3278 by 2419 at 200 dpi. If we copy that and then drop that on to the placemat template. Before I drop that on, you will notice as well we've got the blue area, which is the critical image area. Anything that you put on here on the blue area will definitely be printed. On the red area, this is the bleed area where we do the sewing of the linen placemat, and you could lose this part of the image. So anything that you definitely want on your placemat, make sure it's in the blue area. And drop that image on. As you see, that will fit perfectly. But if you do want to check the outside areas to see which bits of the image could be missed, if you come down here on the right hand side to the opacity, make sure this layer is selected, click the opacity, lower that down to about 40%, a little bit more than that, and you will see here that you can see which parts of the image will be missing, so you can double check yourself. Once you're happy with the way the image is, make sure you pull the opacity back up to 100%. If you've loaded it, and save that as a JPEG, and then just upload it into the app. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.